How to delete a Facebook page permanently. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily delete your Facebook page permanently. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to delete your Facebook page permanently, first of all open your Facebook app and click on your profile picture on the top right corner and scroll down and click on setting and privacy and click on setting and scroll down. And here you will see access and control. Click on it and click on deactivation or deletion and click on delete page. Click on continue and here select the reason for delete of page and click on continue and scroll down, and here you can download your Facebook information or your Facebook data, and after that click on continue, and here you have to enter your Facebook password. After entering the password, click on continue, and here you will have to click on continue and your Facebook page would be deleted permanently. So guys, in this way you can delete your Facebook page permanently. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.